Welcome to EuromanDriver. Today I'm testing the new 2020 Kia e-Soul fully electric crossover. And this is probably the most funky electric car in the world. The Kia Soul is already funky itself, and this fully electric Soul is really awesome in my opinion. It has the body style of a small compact SUV. The ground clearance is just under 16 centimeters. And this new 2020 edition has, as a standard, 17 inches alloy wheels. Created for the perfect aerodynamics, so you can save some energy while driving. And on a full loaded battery, the range is 452 kilometers, and that's pretty good for an electric car. And I like the funky style of this Kia Soul, and I understand why a lot of people buy it. It looks great, interesting and different. And here we have the trunk. It's not the biggest trunk in the whole world, but it has a double floor with charging cables beneath. But it's square and practical and good for most purposes. Let's see how much space you have. And you have a lot of space actually, and you have a great seating position here as second row passenger. And also quality wise it's pretty good here in the second row. But it does feel like a crossover when you sit here in the back of the new Kia e-Soul. The only thing that is missing is an central armrest. You cannot get that one, and this is even the top model, but that's how it is. Kia is not the only one not making a central armrest. Just look at the new Audi Q3. But I think all in all it's great here. You have a great visibility out of the windows. And when you drive. So this is a great car for the family and long journeys. This central console area with all the switches and buttons is standard on the Kia e-Soul. Let's try and start it up. And as you can see, this one has the new infotainment screen for 2020. It's 10.25 inches. I'll just turn off the air conditioner for a while. And as you can see, it has a full virtual cockpit. It gives you all the information in a perfect way. No confusion. And Kia also gave this sporty steering wheel, multifunctional. And everything feels of a really high build quality. See here, the switches has some chrome elements on them, which makes it look a little bit more upmarket, premium. And I think Kia did a great job designing this e-sole with the new infotainment screen here, the air vents on the top, the air conditioned physical buttons right here, and especially this central console, parking, rewind, neutral and drive. I really like that. It looks futuristic and modern. And two cup holders, slightly different from the ones in the newer e-Niro. But there are some great design elements everywhere you look in the Kia e-sole. So not only it looks funky from the outside, I think it looks quite funky also here from the inside. What do you think? Look at that. So as I said before, this one is equipped with the Advanced package and Advanced Plus and the Technology package. So in this car you have everything you need. And it has a battery of 64 kilowatt, and it has 395 Newton meter of torque, and the top speed is 169 kilometers, and it goes from 0 to 100 in 7.9 seconds. And the top speed, even though it's it doesn't feel like a lot, 167 kilometers per hour, you don't need anything else. Where else can you? There's no places but Germany where you can drive more than 167 kilometers per hour. So 167 is just perfect for most people. It takes around 1.5 hours to charge this car with a supercharger. But if you only have a regular plug-in for charging, it will take you quite a long time, 17.5 hours. So that's quite a lot. But that's only if you want a fully loaded battery. The total weight of this car is 2,180 kilos, so it's quite heavy, but it's because the battery is heavy. And it's gonna be interesting to see how this one drives, even though it's quite heavy. So let's have a test drive in the new Kia e-Soul 2020. Ready to start driving? Yes. Let's put it in drive. It's almost like a computer game, also with all the funny sounds. This Kia e-Soul is great in the city and on country roads, and even on the highway. It's pretty silent here in the cabin. And the acceleration is also very good. It has a smooth acceleration, and you sit very comfortable in this car. It feels like you're sitting in a premium car, premium product. And if you buy this one with the Advanced Plus package and technology package, you cannot get any more technology in your car. This is fully loaded, and it's still quite a good price. Even here on the twisty roads, it's pretty good. Not like a sports car, of course, but it doesn't really roll in the corners. Now let's try and accelerate it from low speed. Very silent, very smooth, and it has all you need when it comes to acceleration power. 7.9 might not sound a lot for some people, but it's perfectly okay in most cases. And I'm really impressed by the silence inside this cabin. It's so quiet. It's such a beautiful drive, plus the view is also quite beautiful. So this is definitely a car that I would recommend if you're looking for an electric car. Electric family car. And then you have 7 years warranty as well when you buy from Kia. That's also a thing to consider. And this one is equipped with, of course, all the safety features, lane assistance, emergency braking, everything you can think about. Blind spot detector. And I would go as far as to say that this is a fun car to drive. And in my opinion, it drives better than a Volkswagen Golf. So my conclusion and final verdict of driving the new 2020 Kia e-Soul fully electric crossover is that it's an impressive car to drive, and I recommend that you should go and test drive this car yourself. Bring your family, because it's a family car. It's of course not the cheapest electric car, but it's not the most expensive either. Please subscribe to my channel and visit EuromanDriver.com. I appreciate you watching this video. Please come back soon again to see some of my new videos. Have a great day. Bye bye for now.